Tech giants are cutting tens of thousands of jobs even as they pour billions into AI. What's driving this wave of layoffs? The answer could affect your career right now. The tech industry saw a staggering surge in layoffs during the first quarter of 2026. A total of 81,000 jobs were cut, marking a 580% increase compared to the last quarter of 2025. This dramatic rise is shaking the job market and raising alarm for workers across the sector. Companies that once grew rapidly are now shrinking their headcount at an unprecedented pace. Tech giants like Meta have been investing heavily in AI infrastructure. This includes expanding data centers and increasing computing power to support advanced AI systems. However, these massive expenditures have not yet produced the quick financial returns expected. The high costs of building out AI capabilities are putting pressure on companies' budgets, forcing them to rethink their workforce size. Meta is leading the way in workforce reductions, planning to cut roughly 10% of its employees beginning May 20th. CEO Mark Zuckerberg has openly linked these layoffs to rising AI infrastructure spending. Other major players like Amazon and Microsoft are also trimming jobs even as they ramp up AI investments. This paradox highlights a shift in how tech companies manage growth and innovation. The wave of layoffs alongside soaring AI spending raises big questions about the future of tech jobs. Artificial intelligence is not just a new product line, it's reshaping hiring trends across the industry. Companies are investing in AI to automate and optimize operations, but are simultaneously reducing human headcount to balance costs. This new dynamic could redefine your career prospects in tech. With Meta signaling potential further cuts later this year and other firms following suit, the tech job market faces ongoing uncertainty. The pressure to fund AI infrastructure without immediate returns means companies will likely continue to adjust headcount. For workers and job seekers, staying informed and adaptable has never been more critical. If you work in tech or are thinking about entering the field, these layoffs and AI investments mean your career path might look very different soon. Staying ahead requires understanding how AI is changing hiring and where companies are focusing resources. Subscribe now to Daily Q&A for the latest updates that could impact your job and future in tech.